Quran speaks about biology, that we have created every living thing from water. Quran speaks about botany, that we have created every plant in pairs. In Surah Taha, chapter number 20, verse number 53. Quran speaks about that the animals have been created from water. Surah Nur, chapter 24, verse number 45. Quran speaks about that human beings have been created from water. Surah Furqan, chapter 25, verse number 54. The Quran speaks about genetics, that it is a male fluid which is responsible for determining the sex of the child. In Surah Najm, chapter number 53, verse number 45, 46. And Surah Qiyamah, chapter number 75, verse number 37 to 39. The Quran speaks about embryology. The Quran speaks about geology. The Quran speaks about oceanology. You can give a talk for hours together. After every scientific sign mentioned in the Quran, ask your friend, who could have mentioned this in the Quran 14 years back? The only reply I can give you is the creator, the manufacturer, the maker, the inventor.